What is good, everybody? NBA Live Mobile J here, and today is a special video. It is a pack opening, but this is not an ordinary pack opening. This pack opening is for 10 subscribers. So yeah, I know that's not a lot, but like I haven't been uploading a lot, and I just now hit 10 subscribers. So yeah, I'm going to do a pack opening, and I'm gonna hope that I kind of want to get this Monte Ellis, maybe, or just an elite. I just want one elite. So let's get to it. You already saw my lineup, so let's get to it. First pack. And we get a Chandler Parsons and a Finals collectible. So, not a good start. And then you get Jay Crowder, yeah. That says a lot. Evan Fournier. So, it looks like I'm not getting an elite right now. But they should give me an elite for hitting 10 subscribers. I mean, come on, man. But thanks for you guys' support. And next pack opening, probably, if you want it, it could be very soon. But I'm talking about the next like special pack opening. It's gonna be like 100 subscribers, no, 50 subscribers. That's more. Oh, bruh. They hit me with the cheese. Okay. They hit me with that Anthony Davis. But yeah, looks like I'm getting absolute trash right now. Like, I don't think I had an 80 yet. Ooh, Justice Winslow and Kristaps Porzingis. If you guys don't know, oh, and double gold. This is actually a good pack. If you don't know, my favorite basketball player is Justice Winslow. Ever since he's that draft. Bismack Biyom. Oh my God, I'm having all 75, man. I'm not gonna make any profit if I don't get an elite. Like, for real, what the heck? And another Kristaps Porzingis. I always get that shooting Kristaps Porzingis. And then Aaron, bro. I only have like 9 more left. After this one, 8. And then, okay. Wow, like this is complete trash, man. Like, absolute trash. Like, I haven't even got over an 80 yet, bro. Like, for real. Like, maybe I should do the eyes closed pack. And it still doesn't work. Look. Well, you guys, looks like we're not going to walk out here with elite. I tried, but I guess I failed. And another Kristaps Porzingis, man. Come on, man. I mean, he's good and all, but god dang it, man. I'm tired of getting him. Let me get an elite. Oh, my. Okay. Last pack. Probably not going to get an elite. Yep. Got a Chris Middleton. That pack opening was absolute trash, okay? Absolute trash. I did not get any elite. Hopefully I get to make my coins back. But yeah. See you on the next video. And bye.